Mm-hmm.
Macy, what's that? Wow! Wow! What's inside? What's inside?
Can you open?
Open?
Maybe help her with the first one. Is there another one?
You want your dad to open? Something's inside. You want your dad to open? Watch. Wow! Wow!
Macy, can you put it in your basket? Put it in.
Put it in here. Good job.
Good girl.
Wow. What's that? Wow.
Can you put it in? Put it in your basket.
Good job,
Good
Macy.
girl, Macy. Can you find another one?
What's this? Macy, what's this? What's that? What's in there? You just opened it. Oh my goodness, what's inside? Can you open it?
Hey, Macy. Look, can you come get this one? Macy, come get the pink one.
Oh, what's in there? Did you get an Easter present?
Can you come get the pink one?
Wow. Can you put that in the basket?
There's Macy walking. 13 months old. Hey, say Happy Easter, Macy. Happy Easter.